Right, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Yesterday we talked about a range trap for ICP, and that's pretty much playing out. And here we are, that this was on the daily time frame. So I showed you that anytime you ended up pumping to this line here, it just became a wick and you got pushed down. It became another wick and you got pushed down, another wick right there, and you got pushed down as well. So it's still kind of concerning because you're still not managing to break above it, and if you try to break above it, that's when I think we may start to see a nice good push to the upside. Don't be very bullish at the moment, even though I am bullish on a long term, and this is a short term 4-hour time frame, so don't get confused with the tag on the video of $80. I kind of believe $80 is a realistic target for 2024. Now I don't know when, it may take some time, few months, couple of months, maybe couple of weeks, you just never know. But that's where I personally believe the coin may actually go on and touch even higher, maybe probably even $200 region, but I'm just going to keep it a little bit realistic, and $80 is my opinion. Thing is, you still are suffering to get above that trend line, right? So today we may just see another push back down to 8.6 or something, maybe even take some stop losses at 8.4, play a little bit of a fake out, and then probably try to push back up here and go upside. But keep in mind, if you really break down and fail to get back inside of there and you start to hit your head like this, that's going to be really bad, and you're looking for a $6.5, and then we're going to see what happens from here. And that's it for the quick update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.